Next tool would be the keyword tracker. So when you set up the listing, you start selling, and there are some main keywords that describe your product in the best way, and you want to rank higher for these keywords. For example, dog diffuser. So you launch the product that is a diffuser for dogs and cats, and you want to appear on the first positions for the keywords: cat diffuser, dog diffuser, pet diffuser, for example. So when you put some effort and set up PPC campaigns for these keywords, you want to track if your product, your ASIN, is ranking better and better every week, every day, every hour because of your efforts. You want the traction. And for example, if your product now on the page 5, you want it to appear on page 4, 3, 2, 1 over the time. So if you want to track the keywords, the positions of your product for different keywords, you can set them up in this keyword tracker, which I did for some random products and random keywords like a month ago. And you can see, for example, for this product, it's a rice cooker. So I set up just 5 keywords, and that's how it works. So for the instant pot, this keyword had a very bad rank, but it's getting a little bit better over time. It's let me see.
Yeah, recently it even kind of ranked a bit better, like recently in the last of the part of the graph.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh, you see, it's getting much better. I think it's now on page 1
yeah,
when it started to be on page like, I don't know, whatever, 20, just a month ago.
nice.
That's an instant pot. That's a rice cooker keyword for, well, we're talking about the same ASIN, the same product. So for the rice cooker, I think it's a much more suitable keyword for this product. So it started with a great rank already. So at this point, you just have to keep an eye on the rank, just to make sure that it's on the same position. Rank 1, 2, 3 is okay. 4, 5, not like 20 or 30. It means that something happened. And here we go. It's quite stable. It's just from 1 to 3. So you can sleep well. Your product, well, someone's product, Aroma Digital Rice Cooker, appears on first positions, best seller product for the rice cooker, which is a great keyword. I think a lot of people are looking for rice cooker like that. And well, and so on. There's something else in the graph for this keyword. There are some other, information columns with the price, rating for this product, number of reviews, and sellers.